One word for this stuff. Yuck. Okay, so I'm gonna show everyone today the proper way to clean out a drain line. If you're getting a lot of callbacks on your drains, maybe, you know, sometimes your vacuum doesn't suck hard enough, or sometimes, you know, you're just not getting the clog where it needs to get. This one that we hooked up today, I hooked up my vacuum and the clog wasn't that bad, so it loosened it up. But the vacuum sucked on right now. It's on, the vacuum downstairs, and you cannot hear any suction. So I don't like that. So what I like to do is I like to hook up my vacuum, suck out what I can, got the gunk out, the vacuum stopped, emptied out all the gunk, locked the vacuum back up. The vacuum is now on this pipe and I don't hear anything. Okay, I want to hear this pipe sucking before I leave. So grab that. It's the customer's hose here. Okay, and another thing, any customers or, you know, any first timers doing this, you never want to take a vacuum and suck it back. You want to hook your vacuum out on the outside, okay, and pull the stuff out to the outside. See if I can do this. Okay, grab my little thing. We don't need a funnel here. Okay, so this was filled with water when I first started. My vacuum filled up, so I had to go clean it, but look, you hear that? That's all that nasty stuff in there against the walls, getting all that sucked out. Look, you can start to hear it. You can start to hear it loosening up. So just keep repeating this process little by little. If it's clogged to the point where you can't get any suction on this side, you're going to want to add pressure. And this application, we don't have to add pressure, but here is something, you know, here's the, the PVC fitting. If you want, you can just loosen this, take your nitrogen with your little fitting, and then blow it out. Remember, always blow out, vacuum out. Never in, always out. All right, so now we're going outside. This is how it's gonna look outside. We hook up our vacuum, all right, on that drain, and then inside we pour it out. So if there's anything, any of this nasty gunk you see right here that came out of the drain, a lot of times that stuff's inside the pipe against the walls, like against the walls of the pipe, and we need to add some water to flush it out. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna repeat this process 2 or 3 times, and before we leave, we're gonna make sure that we hear sucking on the inside. Okay, so after about 3 gallons of water, sucking it for about probably 20 minutes, just pouring water, just loosening up the drain. You can hear it sucking, and look at it. Clear water. Make sure it gets inside too. Inside here along the panel. On the inside of the drain, you also want to get all the gunk that's all in there too. I decided to make the video after that was already done. And there you go. Job well done. Good on blue. Call, here we go.